Hello friends, today we are going to see the crosstalk survey with some numericals that will help you. So let's see. So basically we will see some concept before going to the numerical. So firstly we will see the main object of the chain and crosstalk survey. So as you know, we can calculate the area of any field or plot by chain and crosstalk survey. And there are some instruments which are required for the crosstalk survey. If we want to calculate the distance between the 2 points, then we require the chains. It may be 20 meter, it may be 30 meter. Then for marking the some points, then we require the arrows. Then third one is ranging rod. Then crosstalk, basically crosstalk and optical sphere, we can offset the some object. For that we require the crosstalk and optical square. And last one is plumb bob. Then basically we will see how to crosstalk survey do. So firstly we have to decide the center line which can cover the whole area of that whichever we are going to measure. So we have to assume such a line. So suppose that is my line, chain line, which will cover the whole area of that area. So suppose here is a tree, here is a tree, then here is a building, here is something electric pole. I want to calculate the area between these. So how to I can proceed further. Firstly, we have to calculate this distance to this distance. Then we have to bisect this object. Then we have to calculate this distance from the chain line and this object. Then if we want to, then same thing we have to do for these all objects. And then it is divided into the right angle triangle, otherwise it may be trapezoid. Like that we do in a chain and crosstalk survey. I hope it will be clear for you. Then let's see some examples. So you can see here the example. Suppose here is something, one object is there, something, and we have offset that object and we want to calculate the area between this. So we have divided this area into the triangle and trapezoid. So basically, as you know how to calculate the area of the right angle triangle, we know half into base into height. That is the formula of calculate the area of triangle. And second one is the area of a trapezoid. That is also we know half into sum of the parallel side into distance between them. That is the formula of calculating the trapezoid. So let's see the one example and then we will see all the concept. So basically we have to calculate this area. So firstly we will divide this area into the triangles and trapezoid, and then number these all the triangles and trapezoidal. Suppose I have given the first number this area, then I have given the second, third, fourth, like that, and then calculate the area between each. That is the next step. Suppose I want to calculate the area of first one. So it is a triangle. So we know that formula of triangle, half into base into height. So here is half, then height is how many height? This is a 30. And this is the base, consider suppose. So here is a 0, then 0 to 30 means 30. Half into base is 30 and height is 30. Then we can calculate half into 30 into 30, that is a 450 square meter. Then we will go to the next area, that is the trapezoid. So we know how to calculate the area of trapezoid, half into sum of the parallel side multiplied by the distance between them. So Suppose here is 30, here is 85. If we calculate this distance, then we will get the 55. 55. So we know the formula of calculating area of trapezoidal. So half into sum of the parallel side. So first side is 30 and second one is 50. So that is the sum of that, half into 50 plus 30, and distance between them, how much is? It is a 55. So we will calculate this area of the second part also. Then half into sum of the parallel side, that is a 50 plus 30 multiplied by 55. That is the 2200 square meter. Then next go to the next area. That is the third one, and that is, it is a triangle. So we will do same thing. So here is a height is 50. For the base, we have to calculate this distance. So 85 minus 15. Sorry. Wait a minute. 105 minus 85, that is the 50. That is a 20, sorry. Okay, so 105 minus 85, that is a 20. So half into base is 20. 105 minus 85, that will, it will give this distance. So that is a 20, and height we know 50. So half into base into height, that will we give the 500 square meter. Then next go to the next area, that is also triangle. Fourth part you can see here. So we were here. Fourth one. So area of the triangle, that is the fourth part. So we will calculate this also. So we know the height 40. Then for this distance, we have to 105 minus 50, that will give this distance. So that will be 55. 105 minus 50, that will give the 55. So we know the area of the triangle, half into base into height. So half into 55 into 40, that will give the 1100 square meter. Then calculate the area of the fifth part, that is the area of trapezoid. So for that, we have to calculate this distance. That will be 50 minus 20, that will be the 30. Difference between these two distance. And so sum of the parallel side will be 40 plus 32. So half into 40 plus 32, distance between them, what will be the, that will be the 30. So half into 40 plus 32 multiplied by 30, that will give the 1080 square meter. Then last one is sixth area. Then we will calculate this area. So that is also triangle. So we will calculate this. So we know we don't need to measure this distance. We know basically here is 0. So 0 to 20, that is a 20. So half into 20 into 32, that will give the area of the sixth part. It is a triangle. So half into 20 into 32, that will 320 square meter. And after that, we have to sum of these, all that area, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, will it will give the total area of this plot. So let's do that. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, we have to add it, and then we will get the total area, that is a 5650 square meter. And if we divide it by 10,000, then we will get this area in a hectare. We know that the 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meter. So we can calculate this area in hectare also. I hope that is clear to you. If you get any problem in to solve, you can ask me in comment section. I will be answering there. And this is for your homework. Calculate this area, and you can cross check your answer. That should, your answer should be 4,875 square meter. If you didn't get this answer, I will be trying to give you answer in a comment section. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye. We will meet to the next video.